Morning, Bullion Farm viewers and friends. This is the voice of choice speaking from Bullion Farm. As you can see, today is day 21 and we are getting ready for vaccination. Empty this side, move all the bears to one side. They are feeding right now. After this feeding, I will starve them of water for 2 hours minimum. That means around about 10 or past 10 this morning, I will vaccinate them with Lesotho and Gambara combined. Okay? That's the update for today, but unfortunately I have got one small sad news. The bear that I've always reported as weak is no more. It died yesterday, unfortunately. It's a sad news for me because I hate to lose any of my bears. Very painful. But anyway, we have to carry on. So right now we are down to 257. One is dead. Other than that, we have to carry courage and continue farming. Day 21 today, and we are vaccinating. So keep you updated after the vaccination. Thank you for viewing, and please do subscribe. And if you must get a bear from Bullion Farm, brooded for you, don't forget our number 07045846960. Thank you. This is Troy speaking from Bullion Farm. Bye for now.